Okay girls, now good morning. It's lecture number 4, Commutative Property. Now consider that P by Q and R by S are any two rational numbers according to the rules commutative property of addition. We have P by Q plus R by S is equals to R by S plus P by Q. Right? Now, commutative property of rational numbers with respect to multiplication. According to commutative property of multiplication, for any two rational numbers, they multiply with each other and answer is here. So, these two are commutative property with two different operations. Right? Now, next, associative property. Again, consider that P by Q, R by S and T by U are three rational numbers. Then according to the rules of associative of addition, right, this is equals to P by Q plus round bracket S R by S plus T by U bracket close. Same according to the associative property of multiplication. Again, any three rational numbers P by Q, R by S and T by U. First two rational numbers associate with the third rational number and then they multiply with each other and we get the answer. Okay now girls, let's now see proof that question number 4. Okay, now you can see in the denominator we have the 11 and minus 44. So minus sign will fix and 44 number we will take the LCM of 11 and 44. So LCM is 44. Now in the left hand side, minus 44 in the denominator, minus sign is fixed, right? Minus sign is fixed here. So we will just use 44 number. So table of 11, how many times go 44? 4 times. Table of 44, how many times go 44? 1 time. So you can see here we will write down 4 and 1. 10 and 5 we will write it down in the numerator as it is, right? Then do the multiplication. 10 times 4, 40 plus 5 times 1, 5. So 5 plus 40, 45 by minus 45. In the right hand side, same procedure. LCM is, you will just write down 5 as it is, multiplication on both sides. Then 10 write it down as it is in the numerator. Now see 44, how many times go? 1. 11 table, how many times go 44? 4 times, right? So 10 multiplied by 4, 40. 5 times 1 is 5. So 40 plus 5, 45 by minus 44. So left hand side is equals to right hand side is proved. Now girls, this is very important. You have to mention the name of the property. Which property? Commutative property of rational numbers with respect to addition is proved. At the end of question, you have to write down this statement. Okay, now come to the commutative property of rational numbers of multiplication, right? So again write down solution, then left hand side, right hand side. Now you can see minus sign is given, so that's why I will write it down minus sign in the round bracket. Okay, fine. Now do the cancellation. After the cancellation you have minus 1 by 49 minus. So if you want to do the cancellation, minus also cancel with each other. 1 by 49, 1 by 49 is the right answer. You can write it down 1 by 49 also. Okay, now in the end, commutative property of rational numbers with respect to multiplication is proved. Next question. Okay girls, now it's lecture number 4, page number 28. Question number 4, prove that. Now we are doing associative property of rational numbers with respect to multiplication, right? So first of all we will solve our round bracket, right? Can you see, this is a round bracket, and on the right hand side this is the round bracket. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So first of all we will solve our round bracket. Do the cancellation, right? After that we will what we have 9 by 16. Then again do the cancellation, and final answer is minus 3 by 8. It's easy, simple. You know the tables. Tables are very important. Okay. Now in the right hand side, again first do the cancellation. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, right? So 7 and 12 is left. Multiply by 9 by 14. Again do cancellation. Again you know the tables, and then you can see left hand side is equals to right hand side. Both are same, right? So at the end, it's very important, you have to write it down. Associative property of rational numbers with respect to multiplication is proved, right? Now come to the associative property of rational numbers with respect to addition. Now again in addition we will take LCM, but girls, keep this thing in your mind. In the multiplication, we never take LCM, okay? But in addition and subtraction operation, we will take the LCM method. So here is addition. So we will take LCM of 5 and 4. Now you can see LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. After that, table of 5 and table of 4, right? So now still round bracket is present. We will solve first round bracket, right? Round bracket we will solve first. LCM is 20. 3, write it down as it is. Multiply by 5. How many times go? 24 times. Addition 1 as it is. Multiply by again 4. 5 times 20. Clear? 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 4, 12. 12 and 5, 17 by 20. Plus 1 by minus 2. Clear? Round bracket solve. Now come to the right hand side. Again first solve round bracket. Clear? LCM of 2 and 5. We will not touch minus. Just take 2 number and 5. And LCM is 10. Then table of 2 and table of 5. This circle number you will write it down over here. Can you see? Right? So 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 by minus 10. Now girls, can you see minus operation is fixed, right? We will just take the LCM of numbers. We will not take operation also, right? We just take here 2 and 5. You also take just 2 and 5 number. Don't touch subtraction operation. This sign is just over here as a constant. We will use it here, right? Minus 5. Okay. So 11 by minus 10 plus 1 by 4. Again we will take the LCM. 20 and 2. You can see I have to take over in the rough column 2 and 20. LCM is 20. Girls, I have no space. That's why I didn't take LCM of 10 and 4. But when you will take the LCM of 4 and 10, number is 20. LCM should be equal to 20. Right? Okay. Now, 2 and 20 LCM is 20. 1 as it is. 2 times 10 is 20. 10 here. 17 multiplied by 20, 20. So 1 times. 17 multiplied by 1, 17. 10 times 1, 10. And minus 20 constant, write it down as it is. Okay, now 10 and 4, LCM is 20. 11 as it is, multiply by table of 10, how many times 20 goes? 2 times. 1, 4 table, how many times go 20? 5 times, right? So 5 here. Okay, 1 times 5, 5. 11 times 2, 22. So 22 plus 5, 27. 17 plus 10, 27 by minus 20. 27 by minus 20. Now left hand side is equals to right hand side is proof. Girls, I have no space over here. So please girls, you have to write it down after this statement. Associative property of rational numbers with respect to addition is proved. Okay, now see next. Okay girls, note down these 4 questions is your homework. So do these 4 questions in your neat copies and do practice. Okay, so lecture number 4 is complete. Thank you.